It's a really good career. You can make a lot of good money. I've got a couple friends of mine that are pipe welders right now. They travel all over the country. And if you want to travel, see the world, this is the way to do it. We start them out with the basics. For like stick welding, it's SMAW stick welding, and then we give them the basics where they learn how to strike an arc and learn how to hold their angles and keep their arc length the right length and go from there. And then we progress on into GMAW, which is, everybody knows it as MIG welding. It's the wire feed. And then we progress into more complex welds like TIG welding and pipe welding after that. So we basically show them all this stuff, and everything that they learn with the stick welding, the MIG welding, and the TIG welding, it all transfers over to what you're going to be doing out in the field. They can go as far as they want. They can go into construction, they can go into job shops, they can fix cars, they can pretty much do whatever they want to if they push themselves to get to that point.